Have you ever asked yourself the question, who am I really negotiating with? Before we dive into the topic, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. In real business life, you not only have your external counterpart to negotiate with, but you're often confronted with parallel internal negotiations that might have an impact on the final outcome. In today's video, the first out of a series of 4, we will introduce the RESONANT framework, a pragmatic approach for your internal negotiations. Let's look at the first 2 elements of the model. R stands for recognize. Recognize the challenges of your internal negotiations, such as the fact that you will be dealing and working with your counterparts on an ongoing basis. Your behaviors during internal negotiations might backfire you in other areas. Imagine you've been running a supply-based consolidation project that was a success. You won all your internal arguments by using aggressive tactics and dismissing your colleagues' concerns. The project was a success, but at the end of the year, when a cross-functional council evaluates people for promotion and growth opportunities, you are not even considered. That might be because of your behavior during internal negotiations. On top of this, your backline internal negotiation is often escalation to top management, and that's not always advisable. Element number 2, E, envision. Envision how to deal with conflicting priorities. Every organization has different departments with KPIs and objectives, therefore different interests. The recommendation here is very simple. Be open about the different interests. Collect input, formalize buy-in, and then share data and progress along the way fully transparently. Be open. Be receptive. A pushback from a colleague might be an important source of information on what's important to them. Again, remember that what happens between the different meetings might be as important as what happens during the negotiation meeting. We've seen today the first 2 elements of the RESONANT framework for internal negotiations. Recognize the challenges of your internal negotiations. Envision how to deal with conflicting priorities. Make sure you reflect on them based on your previous experience. And, if not done yet, start practicing them as of tomorrow. Thanks for your time and your attention. For more insights like this, please visit www.cabl.ch.